Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mayfair Close on the always popular Kingsdown estate. Today we are looking at this fantastic 2-bedroom family home, complete with west-facing garden and allocated parking. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Change your heart. Look around you. Change your heart. Look around you. Like the sunshine, like the sunshine. Change your heart. I need your loving. Look around you. Like the sunshine, like the sunshine. Change your heart.
So if you want to look at this amazing home, or if you want to have your property valued by the Property Centre, please get in touch.